Welcome back, everyone. We are just wrapping up our turkey season for the year here. We had a really good season. We had a lot of fun. I got mine, I think, 2 weekends ago. If you want to watch that video, it's posted on top of the screen here. And then the wife had a kind of a tough go of it. She had an opportunity to get a couple toms in one day and had a couple mishaps, and I'll also post that one on top of the screen here. But we're just wrapping that up, and now I'm getting ready to head out and do some walleye fishing here this afternoon. One of my son's buddies wanted me to take him fishing for his birthday here, so we're just getting the boat ready here to head out. Well, it's kind of filthy right now, but last time I had it out it was raining and I haven't cleaned it since, and I should be ashamed of myself. But we got the nitro ready to go, got it hooked up, just waiting for Coy and Dallas to arrive, and we're gonna head out on the Missouri River and try to jig up some walleyes, so stay tuned.
Feel like a nicer one? Oh.
I don't know.
That?
Maybe. No, I just follow hooked him.
Loose my ass in the frickin'.
Just follow hooked him.
That was the dog, wasn't it?
No, it's a walleye.
Oh. That is great.
Little guy. Backflip.
Have you guys ever fished this spot before? No.
First time. This week. Third time, fourth time out here? Third time.
Fourth.
Fourth.
I think me and you went out twice with each other.
There you go. Ned? Doesn't look like it, huh?
Me and you went out with each other twice. That was the third time. And Trappy. Jesus. Oh, I'm in a wreck. That's a bush fish. A butch fish.
I hate this when I can't see my damn line.
Line. He's in green line too. It's like a blackish green.
But yet I don't like that yellow stuff.
I don't like yellow or white. I guess yeah, mine's green. My line's green.
A lot of times in here I can't. Well,
You don't need to see mine. That might be a keeper, Dad.
no.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, he's milking all over. It's a very Follow the hook or netter? Oh yeah. That's net. Oh, I'm gonna jack you off.
Nice job, kid. Nice. I seen him come off.
You were about ready to throw the rod.
No, I wasn't. I was confident he was going to get him. He was on it. There we finally got a decent one.
Yeah.
I mean, eater.
15.
Thanks to Coy and his net job. Came completely off. Oh, man, he's spewing a lot.
That's a nicer one.
You got him?
I'll see if he's fouled the hook. Foul hooked him. We're good. No fish goes hard.
Never seen so many fish follow hooked.
You pinned it on the.
Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like
Dad, about 14.
Yeah, not a bad one.
almost like a boner. Extend the wing.
If you don't drop it back in the water first.
Don't freak out.
Perfect timing, Coy. Hey, Billy.
That's whacked it.
Aren't you glad I got your minnows?
Yeah.
How big is that one? Not quite, huh?
Was a boom on the bottom.
God, I wish I had one like that.
Almost at a double.
Backflip.
That's a keeper, Dally.
Almost at a double. Almost at a triple.
Look at him. Fucking right at the top of the mouth. I was like, God, I wish I had luck like that.
That's a keeper, Dally.
You want to keep it?
Yeah, that's a keeper. Why isn't it?
I don't know.
That's a good 14, 15. Isn't it, Dad?
I think so.
Look at
Pretty close.
Long with skinny.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Jesus Christ.
Get yourself together.
Yeah,
Oh.
I've seen what you, I know what you're doing, Dad.
I know it was back there.
Mine was underneath the boat. I was underneath the boat.
I watched you.
And it was shallower water too.
I know what you're
I
doing.
set
wrong,
the
Dad.
hook and the boat was, or the fish was at the boat without even reeling.
That, these things are freaking squirmy.
Wow. Dang it!
Oops, I forgot to show you.
I don't think I showed mine.
Missed 10 fish today.
I know what you're doing wrong, Dad.
I know what you're doing wrong, Coy.
When you set the hook, your rod's all, your tip's all the way up and down. And by the time you reel, you got slack in the line, and
I like it when the tip's up in the air.
I do too, but it's wrong. There's only a
That
good.
last fish I just caught got sent to Jesus.
Yeah, I know. I
I felt
watched
it heavy
you.
whale, put the bait back in the pocket. Wham!
He set the hook like a bass fisherman.
Dally.
Yeah, he put his legs in it. Talked me into it.
Knocked the piss out.
Just knocked it. Just on. There you go.
Really?
Wow. There's the biggest one of the season there.
He freaking thumped it. Oh, I caught you in the eye. I'm so sorry, buddy. You're gonna be blind in that eye. This is a future 10-pounder. You see him now?
Future 10-pounder.
Yeah, that was an insane pass.
Yeah, we should have had a triple.
She had a triple and a double.
You're like, oh, what's that?
I've lost 4 that pass. 3 or 4 this pass.
Last 2 caught one.
Yeah, what does one of those cost? $100?
Rod reel combo was, I got it on sale for $270 or something.
Not cheap.
It's a Fenwig.
My problem with it is I don't have a boat. I have a hard time buying. It's not that it's expensive, really. It's just buying a nice rod and not having a boat. Not having a nice place to keep my stuff.
Yeah,
That's why I
that's.
run cheap stuff like this.
What do you think?
This one?
Yeah.
Throw it back.
Thrower backer?
Look at.
Oh, yeah. I thought he was bigger than that.
No.
Little guy again. Little guy.
Them little guys are freaking smoking it though.
Oh boy.
Little fart felt bigger than what he was.
I know these little farts are freaking
Feisty.
feisty, yeah.
I don't think so, huh? No.
It must be a rock.
Oh, that one drilled it. I don't think he's very big koi, but oh shit, yeah. He drilled it. Wow, he drilled it.
Oh yeah, it's back in his throat.
Yep, he frickin' smoked it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen that reeling him in.
I need to do those.
That was the coolest bite today. He just frickin' hammered
I
it.
need a needle. I'm gonna sit down. You got these down.
He's gonna have to go in the box regardless, isn't he?
He's a keeper. He needs it. Yeah.
Are you reeled up, koi, or no?
He barely had a hook.
Get him out?
Yeah, he came. Oh, he came right off. He wasn't hooked hard in there, but he had the bottom of his throat.
Oh,
I didn't even need the needle nose.
better one of the day, which ain't saying a whole lot, but at least we're getting some.
That's what you're waiting for, Dally?
When that one hit, I thought that one was the one.
Oh, a nicer one?
Yeah, because he just, holy shit balls.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Because he just, that's the hardest hit I've had all year.
So you reeled up my pole, but then put it up.
It's not my job. It's not my job.
Your job, Dad.
Come on.
Can't miss that. Can't miss that.